I was recently clearing out my accessories corner when I found this shades that I had for years, and because it's still in good condition, I decided to give it an uplift and bring it back to life. And what better way to bring this back to life than to pull inspiration from Rihanna's pearl shades. Now, I like order to my creativity, so I went ahead and marked off how far I wanted the pearls to be on the stems of the shades, and then I marked off midpoints on the circular parts of the shades as well. Once I had my markings, I just went ahead and started applying the glue to place the pearls. To ensure that my pearls do not fall off while wearing them, I squeezed a touch of glue into these spaces between the pearls and also went in with some Mod Podge. And here they are. I plan on pairing these shades with my newly hydro dip shoes. And if you want some tips and tricks on working with a budget to create a customized hydro dip shoe, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, deuces.